In this video, I want to show you how to use Booleans on Sales Navigator. I know this is not the sexiest topic, but if you master Booleans, you will be able to better target your ideal customer on Sales Navigator. And at the end, you will be able to build a better list of leads and make more business because yeah, at the end, that's what we want. So let's get started. So what is a Boolean? So basically, a Boolean is an operator that you can use to narrow down your search or to broaden your search. So you have three operators and two punctuations. So you have the and, or, not, you have bracket, and you have quotes. And I'm going to show you on Sales Navigator how it works. So on Sales Navigator, you can use Booleans in two fields. First, current job title here and keyword, search keyword here. You can't use Boolean somewhere else. You have just these two fields. So let's start with current job title. So here, if I write head of sales. So as you can see here, I can choose to click on the suggestion of LinkedIn, or I can just press enter. And this is something different. So here, head of sales, we have 250K results. If I check the results of my search here, I'm gonna have something interesting. So here, head of sales, we have 20 results. So here, head of sales, head of sales, head of sales. And here, as you can see, we have EMEA sales director. As you can see, it's a bit different from head of sales because this person is head of EMEA sales, which is a bit different. Director, so one. Director of sales, which is different. Head of go-to-market, sales, marketing, communication, community. And here we have someone who is not in our targets. Fractional vice president of RevOps, very different from head of sales. Sales manager. So this person works in the sales space, but he is not a head of sales. He is probably not a decision maker. Now I'm gonna remove this and I will click on include. So I will use what LinkedIn suggests me. And as you can see, we have 200K results. So here, what's interesting is that LinkedIn narrowed down a little bit the search, but we don't have that much head of sales. Like the two first leads are associate or independent sales consultants, which is far from being head of sales. So as you can see, when we use what LinkedIn suggests or when we just write head of sales, it's not that good. So instead, what you can use is the quotes. So I will write head of sales like this with quotes and I will press enter. And here, as you can see, we have less results. So 140K results. So we just narrowed down the search and you will see that with quotes, we will only have head of sales. And you will see that by using quotes, you will have a much accurate results. So here, head of sales, head of sales, head of sales, head of sales. This one is not head of sales, Yeah, almost everybody is head of sales, which is better than when we didn't use the quotes. Now, the next operator I want to show you is not. Now, let's take an example like founder. And as you can see, we have co-founder. But let's say that we don't want people that are co-founder. So all I have to do is to write founder, not co-founder. So what it means is that we will have people that are founder, but not co-founder. Let's press enter and see the results. So here we have founder, 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 founder only, and we don't have any co-founder anymore. You can use this operator multiple times, like for example, founder, but not co-founder, not intern, and not assistant. So we will have only people that are founder, but not co-founder, not intern, or not assistant. I put assistant because sometimes you have CEO assistant, and we don't want to reach out to these people. So I press enter and I will not have these people. The next Boolean operator is or, and I will show you an example. So let's say that I want head of sales, or head of marketing. So here you will see that we will have people that are head of sales or head of marketing. So we will have both. So here we have head of sales, head of marketing, head of marketing, head of marketing, head of marketing, head of sales, and so on. So we just have both. And of course, this operator works the same way as not. So I can add multiple or. So head of sales, head of marketing, or let's say CTO. Press enter, and then we have CTO. So we have people that are head of sales, head of marketing, or CTO. So this operator is very useful if you want to target some job titles, but you can use it as well on the search keywords. So for example, let's say that I want to target people that are in the e-commerce. So here I will say e-commerce like this, or e-commerce with a dash, or DNVB, or e-space commerce. And here we will check in the LinkedIn profile of everybody on LinkedIn for this case, if they have on their profile e-commerce like this, e-commerce with a dash, DNVB, or e-commerce with a space here. In this case, it's very useful when you want to target specific industries. For example, you can target agencies. You can say agencies, or agency, or I don't know, consulting, for example. And we will have people that have in their LinkedIn profile the keywords agencies, or agency, or consulting. Now let's move to the next Boolean operator, and we will check the operator and. Let's move on to the current job title and take an example for the operator and. So let's say that I want founder and let's say CTO. So basically I want people that have founder and CTO in their job title. So let's have a look. All right, so we have co-founder and CTO, CTO and co-founder, founder, CTO, CTO, founder, CTO, founder. So as you can see here, it doesn't work. Founder and CTO. So as you can see, we have people that match our criteria, but we have people that don't match our criteria. So for example, Girish is co-founder, but he is not a CTO. And I will show you at the end of this video how to manage these people, because it's a bit problematic that LinkedIn give you these people that don't match your criteria. Now I want to show you how to use the brackets, because with the brackets you will leverage the power of Boolean's operator. So I'm gonna take an example here. So with brackets, you can say, for example, that you want VP or you want head, like head of sales or whatever, and you want people that are working in the marketing or sales. So we have to say marketing or sales. So here we want people that are VP or head of something, and we want them to have marketing or sales in their job title. So basically, we will have VP marketing, VP sales, head of marketing, and head of sales. Let's copy this Boolean search. Here I remove this and paste. Let's see what we have. So we have VP marketing, head of sales, perfect. VP marketing, head of marketing, VP marketing, VP marketing, VP product marketing. So here, if we want to remove this profile, what we can do at the end of our search is to add a not, like this, not product, or I saw one with brand, and it will remove people that are VP marketing in the product side or VP brand marketing. So let's have a quick look on the results. I remove this and I try this new search, and I will not have any branding or product thing. Head of consumer marketing. Okay, I have to remove consumer. Display on marketing. And it starts to be very good. Head of marketing, yeah, that's perfect. So quick tips, as you can see, I can't see my search here with my Booleans. So the good thing to do when you want to use Booleans in your search is to use Notion or I don't know, Google Doc is perfect. And you do your Booleans filter like this, and you try to improve a little bit your search. So for example, if I'm not happy with my search, for example, I see people that are like VP brand marketing. I have to add not, and I will refine my searches, and I will have for sure a better leads file at the end. Now I want to show you with a concrete example how to use the Booleans operator to have a better leads file at the end. So what I advise you to do is to use all the operators to make a good search. So for that, we will use 3 steps. The first one is to narrow down with the position of your leads. So if they are VP, head, founder, or whatever. The second step is the function, like marketing, sales, HR, and so on. And the last step is the exclude function. And here is how it works. So first bracket, we will have position 1 or position 2, and function 1 or function 2, not exclude 1 or exclude 2. Now let's take a concrete example. So let's say that I want VP or head. So it's the position of the leads in the company, and marketing or sales, not intern or assistant or branding. So you can use, of course, more than 2 keywords. So let's copy that and paste it in Sales Navigator. And the result, VP Sales Marketing, VP Sales and Marketing, VP Marketing, and so on. But let's move to the page number 4, Marketing, VP Marketing, VP Marketing. And I think we are pretty good with the result. But we have, I'm sure, some mistakes that LinkedIn makes. So let's have a look. So page number 7, I found a good example of people who is not in our target. Senior partner sales manager. So we don't have VP or head. He is just a manager. And that's why you need something more to first export the leads, because on LinkedIn you can't export the leads natively. You need a workflow that verifies that your results match perfectly your filters. So this one is not qualified for us. If you want to export your leads from Sales Navigator into a clean leads file like this one, for example, with first name, last name, company name, job title, LinkedIn URL, and verified email, you can click in the first link in the description. You do the quick onboarding, and then you will get a form like this one. So all you have to do is to give us the LinkedIn Search Navigator URL. So this, copy, then paste, you click on submit, and then you have to wait a little bit and you will get this kind of file. So basically what we do is to clean all the data. So you only have first name, last name, company name well written. You don't have any emojis or problem with people that put their name in capital letters. So it's a clean data. And the second thing we do is we filter people that only match your filters. So as you saw previously, LinkedIn gives you people that do not match your filters. So for example, this person does not match our filters. And what we do is just to check if every single lead match your filters. So basically at the end, you have a clean leads file with all the leads that perfectly match your criteria. So if you are interested, you have the first link in the description. I see you in the next video. Bye.